Chapter 21, Creating Request Users. In this module, we will configure user profiles within the SVISION management module for the reporting system. To begin, select the Request Manager database. You must log in using administrator credentials. This is the first key profile, as it has the permissions to create all personnel users. Once inside, go to the Users and Administrators section. This is where the two operational profiles are managed, the requester and the request administrator. Let's start with the requester. This user should only have access to SVISION request, and their specific role is to report events. When creating a requester, you can organize them into groups, Group 1 and Group 2, such as area, department, or job position. This helps identify and group requests. An important point is the email address. Although it is optional, if configured, the requester will receive an automatic notification when their report has been addressed. The companies and department sections act as visibility filters. By configuring them, we ensure that the user, whether reporting or managing, only sees the information relevant to them. You can also configure email copies to keep others informed. Additionally, the system allows you to set up automatic notifications so that every time a requester submits a report, an email is sent. Assign a password, and you're done. Now, the third profile is the request administrator. This role is responsible for monitoring and supervising everything that enters the system. Unlike the requester, this profile must have access to Request Manager. Just like the requester, you can assign company or department filters so they only see what they are responsible for managing. Assign a password and save the changes. In summary, there are three profiles. The administrator, who creates users. The requester, who reports events. The request administrator, who manages and closes requests.